Welcome to the exciting world of quantum computing, a realm where history meets innovation. In this video, we'll be exploring the fascinating history of this technology and how it's changing the world as we know it. For centuries, computers have been a fundamental part of our lives. They've transformed the way we work, communicate, and entertain ourselves. But as technology has advanced, so too have our computing needs. From financial forecasting to climate modeling, the challenges we face today require more computing power than ever before. But classical computers have reached their limits. That's where quantum computing comes in. A revolutionary technology that leverages the principles of quantum mechanics to perform calculations that classical computers simply can't handle. The history of quantum computing is rooted in the work of pioneering scientists like Richard Feynman and John Preskill, who first proposed the idea in the 1980s. But it wasn't until the turn of the 21st century that quantum computers began to take shape. Since then, quantum computing has made tremendous progress, with major breakthroughs and innovations happening almost every year. From Google's claim of quantum supremacy to the development of quantum-resistant cryptography, the potential applications of this technology are virtually limitless. Today, quantum computing is being used to tackle problems in fields like medicine, energy, and finance. And as the technology continues to advance, the possibilities for what we can achieve with it are endless. From solving complex problems to unlocking new discoveries, the future of quantum computing is truly limitless. Quantum computing is a truly remarkable technology that's changing the way we think about computing. By harnessing the power of quantum mechanics, it's able to perform calculations and solve problems that classical computers simply can't handle. From financial forecasting to drug discovery, quantum computing is having a major impact in industries all around the world. With its ability to process vast amounts of data and perform complex simulations, it's helping us to tackle some of the biggest challenges facing humanity. The field of quantum computing is constantly evolving, with researchers and scientists working around the clock to push the boundaries of what's possible. From developing new algorithms to improving quantum hardware, they're dedicated to advancing this technology and unlocking its full potential. So what does the future hold for quantum computing? The truth is, we're only just scratching the surface of what this technology can do. As it continues to evolve and advance, the possibilities for what we can achieve with it are truly mind-blowing. The future of quantum computing is bright, but we need to ensure that we have a new generation of professionals who are trained and equipped to work with this technology. Fortunately, there are many universities and research centers around the world that are offering courses and programs in quantum computing. From undergraduate degrees to specialized certifications, these educational opportunities are helping to prepare the next generation of quantum computing experts. But it's not just education that's driving the growth of quantum computing. Businesses around the world are also investing in this technology, with many of them setting up research and development teams to explore the potential of quantum computing. In addition, there's a growing community of startups and entrepreneurs who are using quantum computing to solve real-world problems and create new products and services. From optimizing supply chains to improving medical diagnosis, these companies are showing us what's possible with this technology. So there you have it, a look at the history and innovation of quantum computing. A truly exciting and transformative technology that's changing the world as we know it. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the history and innovation of quantum computing. We hope you learned something new and exciting about this revolutionary technology and its impact on our world. Until next time, keep exploring and keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible.